If you've ever needed placeholder text in your design and didn't want to waste time typing random words yourself, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to add Lorem Ipsum text in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is super useful for wireframes, mockups, UI layouts, and any design where you want to focus on structure before final content. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Figma and go to the file where you want to add placeholder text. The fastest way to get started is by using quick actions. On Mac, press Command and /. On Windows, press Ctrl and /. This opens the quick action search, which is one of the easiest ways to find tools inside Figma without digging through menus. Now type Lorem Ipsum into the search bar. You'll see plugin results appear, and you can choose a plugin like Lorem Ipsum by divRIOTS or Content Reel. These are popular options because they make it very easy to generate filler text directly into your design. Click on the plugin you want to use, and if it's your first time, Figma may ask you to run or install it. Go ahead and allow that so the plugin can open. Next, you need to select where the text should go. You can click an existing text layer if you already have a text box on the canvas, or you can draw a new text box wherever you need placeholder copy. This gives the plugin a target so it knows exactly where to place the generated text. Once your text layer is selected, choose the length of your Lorem Ipsum content. Most plugins let you generate words, sentences, or full paragraphs, depending on what your layout needs. If you're just testing a small button or label area, words may be enough. If you're filling a card, modal, blog preview, or landing page section, sentences or paragraphs usually work better. After that, choose the quantity you want. You might generate 1 paragraph, 3 sentences, or several blocks of filler text depending on the design. Then click Generate. In some plugins, you may also see an auto-generate option, which will automatically fill the selected frame or text area with placeholder content. That's especially helpful when you're working fast and want to populate an entire layout in one click. Once the text appears, you can immediately continue designing around it, resize the text box, adjust spacing, or swap it out later with real content. And that's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you can add clean Lorem Ipsum text in Figma and keep your design process moving without getting stuck on content. If the tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.